Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I still think this is an uptrend, which I do not think is over. I still believe it's going to go all the way up, probably end up taking out these highs and end up looking something like that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, especially because of my US dollar analysis, I think this right here is a wave 1. I think this is an A, B, C, D, E of wave 2. I think eventually it's going to go up and make a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 to complete that pattern like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's take it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this is probably one of the better time frames to actually watch to show us when this trend is over with a significant break of structure to the upside. We are at the 100% area and we do have a bounce right here, but I still don't see any break of structure, and I still think there's actually probably a better chance this is going to go down to one of these lower levels, probably even go back down into this area back here before we really do end up ending this wave E of wave 2 and continuing the uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me it looks like a 1, 2, 3, which is why I think we may already have a wave 4, and that we should be now going down for like a wave 5. And honestly, it could be a subdivision of a much larger trend, so really it could just keep on trending down pretty easily. So all that tells me that I am for sure going to continue to look for shorts, especially on the shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks like we already had 1, 2, 3 waves up on Friday. 3 waves up, 2 of Fibonacci, nice impulsive move down. Now this move down is looking pretty corrective, almost like it could end up going up again, and the fact that we don't have any news, and the fact that we do have really big news coming out on Wednesday, the interest rate for the dollar, does tell me that it could possibly end up drifting up some more, and maybe even turning into more of a complex correction. But if this really is a wave 4, and this really is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, then this really needs to end up going down like that to make a wave 5. If it stretches out too much more, then it's not going to be a wave 4. It's probably going to be like a bigger correction and like a subdivision of a bigger pattern on the longer time frames. So for me, anyways, I am definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend, at least until I get some significant breaks of structure to the upside on like the daily and maybe the 4 hour time frame range. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.